Welcome to An American Accent. This is the 7th video in a series where I group irregular verbs by their pronunciation, more specifically the vowel sound that's stressed in them. I use colors from the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson to describe those vowels. And you can see a link in my description to that and to videos that I have recorded, and they describe the Color Vowel Chart more in detail. In this case, the simple past or second form is blue. That's the ooh sound. Ooh. And you need to be like you're sipping from a straw when you say ooh. And then the past participle is rose. Oh. It's a moving or changing vowel. Oh. You change the lips there. Not just oh, but oh. So this is a small group. And the first one has rose for base form, and then blue, simple past, and rose for the past participle. So we got blow, blew, blown, grow, grew, grown, know, knew, known. In British English, they would say know, knew, known. And then we have a group here where the first one is I, fly, flew, flown. Hopefully that helps. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.